This choka, or smoked eggplant salad, is so savoury and delicious. It pairs really well with vegetarian curries and roti. And of course, you can have your own variations to the recipe as well. First, you'll need eggplant. Here I'm using 4 of the Japanese variety of eggplant. You'll need a couple of cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tomatoes, red onion, or if you find that to be too strong, try spring onion, coriander, and salt to taste. Chop your onion nice and fine. I personally like to use a lot of onion, but I would suggest that you add a quarter first, and if you think it requires some more, add some more. Then chop your tomato into nice small bite-sized pieces. Then chop up your coriander, stalks and all. I've reserved a few leaves to garnish the final dish. Place your gas stovetop on high heat. It does get a bit messy, so if you're worried about that, perhaps do it on the barbecue outside. Now please ensure that your kitchen is well ventilated, or else you will set off the smoke alarms. Put the temperature down to low heat and continue to cook until the outside is nice and charred. This can take about 20 or so minutes. It really all depends on the thickness of your eggplant. You want to make sure that your eggplant is really soft. If you find that it's too firm, then continue cooking it out. Place your garlic cloves with the skin on in the flame as well. All the flavour comes from the smokiness. It's something that I've grown up eating, and I find the flavour so unique and savoury. Once both your eggplant and your garlic are very soft to the touch, you can place them into a bowl to cool down. Allow the eggplant to cool almost completely before removing the charred skin. Do the same with your garlic. Chop both the eggplant and garlic into small pieces. Add to your other ingredients and add salt to taste. Give it a good mix. And you're ready to serve. You can find this written recipe, along with many other healthy recipes, on our website. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.